What's good, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's Kay, and today we're going to be going through this unit from Hurela hair, and I'm excited because this box was kind of heavy and I was shook. I was like, oh my gosh, if you know me, you know I really like the little gifts that you get with your hair. They excite me, and there were so many in this one. Hurela really spoiled me. So there was like 3 things that I could go through. Like, there was so much. So the first thing that I went through was this wig cap that they gave me, and then they also gave me a headband because I will be showing you a headband wig. And then in this cute little pack from Hurela hair, I also had way more bands and headbands. So I had this cute black one with like a paisley design, and then the same type of thing but in red. And then they also gave me this purple one, which I thought was super cute, and they gave me a plain red one as well with just a little knot on the front. So yeah, I was so excited for the next headband. It was this one, this bejeweled one. I've been seeing these all over Pinterest, so I was like, oh my gosh, these are so cute, and I never had one, but this one is such good quality. It is stunning, you guys. I'm obsessed with it. It's so pretty, and of course, you know, I had to use that one, but this is the actual unit. I have not had colored hair in a minute, I feel like, and they gave me this 99J. So the color is called 99J, and it's a headband wig. It's just straight, and it is stunning. I did not expect it to suit me so much, but I have an extra little headband, and I think it's so cute. I think it goes with the hair very nicely. It is a very cute headband. I love this one, and this is how the hair comes packaged. It's very nicely packaged, and this is the color, guys. It's like this beautiful burgundy wine color, and the hair is straight. Like, you can see that this hair is straight, and I love it. I love it so much. So this is a headband wig, so obviously it does not have a closure. It just has this velcro strip. You could wear this wig with just that black part and not put a headband on top, but I like the headband. So I've got multiple clips just to secure the wig onto your head. You know, there's no lace, so there's nothing for you to stick down. But I think that's part of why I love headband wigs so much, because they're just pop it on your head and you're done. But I love this color on me. Like, I was not expecting for it to look this nice on my skin tone, and for that reason I feel like it's going to suit a lot of black girls. Like, it's beautiful. It is a beautiful color, and yeah, it's just stunning. And also the hair itself is very silky and very like nice to feel and touch. So this is how the headband wig looks from the top, and all I'm really gonna do is just brush out my hair. I don't want to straighten it or anything like that because it is straight. Yes, it's just got some kinks and coils, but I like that. I was like, okay, this is cute. So what I really am doing is I'm just combing through it, and then I had a little bit of a trial and error with the actual headband. So you can fold the headband part. See how the black part is showing? You can fold that black part and make it smaller just to like customize it and fit all your headbands. So if you feel like that is a bit too wide for your head, you can bend it and you can like fold it up, and you can make sure that it fits your head nicely. So yeah, that's basically all I'm gonna do, just to customize it and make sure it looks nice. Then I'm gonna pop on some earrings, and girl, I was obsessed with the whole look. So there you have it, you guys. That is all from me. I'm obsessed. Let me know in the comment section down below if you like this color on me. What do you think? What are you thinking, girl? I think it's such a nice color, especially like during winter and like autumn and stuff. So this is cute for me. I'm going to keep it for that season. But if you are interested in this wig, then go down into my description box. I'm going to have the links for you guys. And if I can find a coupon code, I will also put it down there. But yes, this color is called 99J, and this is how long the hair is on me. So I'm obsessed with it. I hope you guys like it too. Let me know how you're feeling in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Shout out to Hurela hair. This hair is bomb. Okay, bye guys.